Still at it, are we?
Fucking video compression.
You know, even if you get a professional camera,
You are a hindrance.
you'll still have to deal with video compression. So carry on. Keep venting away with these films, because there's no real solution.
But my newer camera shoots 1080p.
You can get the top of the line, but you'll still be compressed. You can't escape video compression. We will crush your image. All online videos must be compressed.
No. There's gotta be a better way. Perfect.
You can't beat me with your anger.
You're right. And thanks for telling me, by the way.
Shit!
Your perseverance is making me invisible!